everyone, welcome back to my another vlog video. In today's English vlog video, we're gonna learn something new at your street, medium city plus village scenery, and we're gonna learn some vocabulary of green environment, and we're gonna explore it more whether they were playing or doing anything in my channel Mehzabin Mowshi. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe channel and press the bell icon thing for more new updates like this. So let's get started. Okay, so if we come into here and we explore this thing, it's kind of like green scenery, but it's so creepy, so scary, so creepy. You don't want to go that. But many people aren't just, what? I couldn't explain. I'm not that brave, but still I'll go there for making my video. Will you agree? Okay, there's too much mosquitoes. It's type of 5 p.m. or something. Let me go into it. You can see there's lots of grass here. And over there is plants. If we walk in through the streets, that would be much safer. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Okay, so if we go by the streets here, it's like a type of aisle or something. Okay, you can see this like pretty farm or something. Over there you could see plants, grass. There is some net that if buffaloes and goats are here and there, they couldn't eat them. Or in case of, I couldn't explain that. You know what's the meaning of it. And you can see there is lots of plants, green plants, red plants, leaves that we eat as a Bangladeshi people. Because I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm speaking English so fluently. That's my secret that I apply for daily life. Here you could see for safety, because many people fell down here. They don't know what to do, so they just simply fell down here. Over there, it's an unknown place, but today I came with my mom, so you can see this amazing place. You can see this is an unknown flower, and this flower is so beautiful. You know about it, because when you're gonna visit this place, you're gonna find amazing flowers and plants. Over there is another flower, because I'm a content creator, so I have to show each and everything, explain everything in English. So today we're gonna learn a vocabulary, which is spare. Spare, what does it mean? S-P-A-R-E. Spare time. You can see there is another type of field area. People here come to play, enjoy all of their own. You can see many people here are going from them. It's a very, very great place to enjoy in your spare time and to motivate yourself to learn English more. Let's see more. Explore more. Let's go. Antique to Shanto. That's it. Okay, so you can see there is an amazing place. Over there, there is a street. You can visit all of them in your spare time. Over there is another type of plant. There is completely unknown plant, but we eat and actually, probably bottle gourd, and more of them. This is also called an unknown flower, but it's so beautiful. Creature is so beautiful. Plants, buffaloes, goats. What do you mean? It's pretty fantastic. Over there you can see bottle gourd plants. Okay, we'll explore more, but I think this place is not safe at all. So, there is another aisle. There is another aisle street. I'll go straight back to it. I can see birds singing, but I don't care, because A dog is chasing me. I don't know why, but I don't want to go there because I hate dogs and I'm afraid of dogs. The dog is chasing me right now. Let's go straight into the aisle and let's go to another interesting place. Okay, let's learn now an amazing vocabulary, buildings, plants, gardens. Amazing. As I said, it's a medium level. I read in just a Bengali medium school. So I'll explore more. Over there, there is another garden. Let's visit it. As I said, this is a great place for playing. Over there, there is a playground for playing badminton. People who love badminton like me, they could easily play here in Shatirganj, Narayanganj. Over there, you can see many plants, trees. Especially this is the banana tree, I think. You could see stands, but I don't love stands as well. I'm not a city lover. I'm a village lover. That's why. This is a playground. People play in badminton. Let me remind you, there is two stands, bamboo stands. They play near them and play badminton for their own. There is a dog over there. Let's see. Okay, let's explore more. There is a big tree. People are saying me crazy because I'm making vlog video, but I don't mind because I'm learning English by my own. I'm learning English fluently. That's why people are saying me crazy at that time. No problem. I'm not saying anything because I don't find any place to describe. Hello. Today I'm going to share some steps that you can easily improve your English by your own. Have you ever noticed that if you don't listen, you couldn't speak at all? Right now I'm listening to English as well because I'm watching videos every day, English related videos, English related topics. That's number one. You have to listen properly. Without listening properly, you can't go anywhere. You can't go straight forward and go up with your English. Because you know what? In this place, I'm here to only practice English. It's very quiet, natural, calm, aesthetic. But it has some pros and cons. You know, sand. I don't love sands. It's boring. Well, anything, as I'm about to share about all of you that actually what happened is when you just listen, then you could speak. Number two is narrate your English for daily life. Yep, like here is a building, here is a garden. You know, sorry for switching the camera like that. So there you can see a dog. Like this, you have to narrate your English for everyday life. The third step is use phrases and slangs like pookie, boomer, aid, like this, the modern slangs. Like as I'd say, everything is pros and cons. Pros and cons is an upper intermediate English phrase used to differ good or bad. And as I say that aesthetic means beautiful. Like that, it could improve your English fluently. So you can see there are many lots of plants, leaves. These leaves we actually eat. There's a spinach, I guess. It is spinach. And I think these are leaves we actually normally eat. So these are the leaves. Let me back to my self camera. Let me give you a shot. This is the garden. Let me back to myself. Let me switch my camera. You can see there is lots of plants, leaves we actually eat. There's a spinach, bottle gourd plant here. You can see. Normally, if you see here, right here, you know, my uncle is plucking some leaves and type of that we normally eat. Bottle gourd. Over there, there is mustard plant, yellow. Let me take a closer look. These is the mustard plant. Normally could see there. So people are giving I don't know. People are giving waters here that the plants will be not wasted. Because if we don't give water to the plants, then it would be not easy for the plant to live. So people are watering the plants. Watering. Improve your vocabulary. Watering. This woman is watering the plants. Is watering the plants. Great! Good job! So Uncle is giving now leaves that we normally eat. So my mom is very interested with this stuff because we love vegetables. And when we talk about this vegetarian list, then probably it's probably amazing. These are the aesthetic scenery. They're talking in Bengali, that's why you may not understand. These are lift my aunt is holding. Over there is mom, and it is my uncle is plucking leaves that we normally eat. That's so tasty, delicious looking, but I couldn't eat now because it's raw. I'm not a raw vegan. So everyone, we finally bought these two leaves we normally eat. This is called red leaves. It's butter gourd leaves. So we Bangladeshi normally eat them. It's so tasty and delicious when we cook them with masala and different oil, this kind of thing. So my uncle, thanks to my uncle that he gave me this a pair of leaves, red leaves and bottle gourd leaves. So it's so amazing. It looked tasty, but I couldn't eat them because it's raw. I'm not a raw vegan. Let's explore more. So finally, we bought a pair of leaves we normally eat. Over there, you can see there's many leaves we normally eat. These leaves we actually bought, but I think these red leaves is actually fresh. People are scolding me because I'm in this, type of place, field. I'm in a farming place, so people are scolding me. I'll just move away. I'm just here to make my videos. Otherwise, I'm not here. I'm not that. So I pluck a pair of leaves. I have a leaf in my hand, probably. Some pair of leaves, 6-pack or 8-pack of leaves. I know I pretty look my leaves, so I pluck some leaves. Now I'm going towards my home. This is called towards because this is my plan. This is my goal. That's why you actually pluck and go towards your home. Let's go on to it. And that's all for today, my video. If you like my video, then please press the like button and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. And I want to ask you, do you like leaves? Just like Bangladeshi? Comment down below. See you later in the next video. Bye!